Welcome to ZenInbox. In this video, we'll show you how to create a custom workflow to add labels to incoming emails and keep your inbox perfectly organized. Let's get started by creating a new workflow. Click on Create Workflow to begin. First, give your workflow a name and a brief description. This helps you easily identify it later. Once done, click Continue. For this automation, set the trigger to incoming mails so the workflow activates whenever new emails arrive in your inbox. Next, move to the Logic section and select the Mailboxes logic and then select the desired mailbox. Finally, move to Actions and select Labels. This is where we'll assign labels to emails based on your preferences. You can either choose from existing labels or create a new one by clicking on Add New. To create a new label, enter its name, add an optional description, and pick a color to make it stand out. Once ready, click Add Label. Now that your label is ready, select it to apply it to this workflow. Finally, save your settings and create the workflow. Your automation is now live, and incoming emails will automatically receive the assigned label. To see it in action, check your conversation window. New emails matching the criteria will now appear with the label you've assigned. And that's how you can create custom workflows to label your emails in ZenInbox. Stay tuned for more videos on optimizing your inbox.